So Osgood Bank for a long time was a community bank that only serviced local customers. The bank's 106 years old. We have 4 branches. Today, the bank has a couple different sides. It still services in-market customers, but another part of what we do is we go outside of our footprint and we do franchise loans.
Here at Osgood, we started working with Sola in 2016. Since then, we financed over 150 locations across the U.S. in north of 20 states, approaching 30 states. We really understand the Sola model, the Sola system, so it's very easy for a franchisee to come to us with a financing request because you don't have to educate us on the Sola system itself. You're just telling us about you.
I had a big dream, big idea, but I didn't have the money that it takes to open up a Sola. Tony and Katie believed on me.
We have a credit department that understands franchise lending, and they're able to get through credit requests in a timely manner.
We've really built a model that is based on the needs of Sola franchisees, from turnaround time and underwriting and loan decisioning to a funding process wherein we understand the vendors that you're working with.
I have 2 Solas and have been working with Osgood Bank for about 4 years. One thing that I really love about Osgood is that they get me as a small business owner.
Osgood Bank is not only a great partner for providing capital for franchisees, but we're also an advisor.
So from the advisory side, it gets a little bit deeper into the planning. You're thinking about not only the current loan, but your next loan. You're thinking about your liquidity needs. You're thinking about your capital planning and debt structures.
We're not talking about just the location that you're working on right now. We're talking about the entirety of your plans for, your strategic plans for growth.
The difference between Osgood and some of the smaller banks is that the smaller banks really don't know how to deal with a franchise loan. The larger banks really can understand you, but unless you're a certain size, you're not on their radar.
One of the biggest commitments that we've made to the Sola brand is to not work with competitors in the salon suite space.
We are so fortunate as a company to have Osgood State Bank as a lending partner. They're really not a traditional lender. They are so much more like a trusted advisor to each of us. They understand our business in a way that I don't think any bank really does. They understand our economics, they understand the challenges, and they want to help us overcome those challenges so that we all win.
So whether you're a current customer of ours or not, whether you're a current Sola franchisee customer or not, hopefully we can help all of the franchisees within the brand.